Established in 1965 in the sacred city of Lahore, which is the home of the great Sufi saint Uthman bin Ali Hujveri, Jamia Nizamia Rizvia is an esteemed religious institution of the Islamic world. Since its inception, it has been actively engaged in promoting Islamic sciences, training the youth of the Muslim Ummah. Currently, more than 6,000 students, both male and female, are quenching their thirst for knowledge in the 8 branches of this institution. To facilitate their education, a dedicated team of 300 qualified and expert teachers, along with efficient administrative staff, is always available. The institution also provides well-furnished residential accommodations for 25 teachers. To offer Sharia guidance on matters of Islamic beliefs and jurisprudence, Darul Ifta facilities are available in Lahore and Sheikhupura, benefiting thousands of people seeking religious advice. The institution also houses a grand library with thousands of rare books. Free facilities for students include accommodation, 3 meals a day, books, and medical treatment. For female students, a 3-story, fully segregated campus is available in Sheikhupura, where all educational, training, and administrative affairs are managed by qualified female instructors. Along with intellectual, spiritual, and moral training, students at the Jamia receive technical education. English and Arabic language courses are also offered. Thousands of scholars, huffaz and qaris who have benefited from Jamia Nizamia Rizvia are actively serving Islam in Pakistan and across the world. The annual expenditure of the Jamia is 200 million rupees. All of this has been made possible by the grace of Allah Almighty and the sincere support of generous donors like you. By contributing your zakat, sadaqat, and donations, you can establish a continuous charity, a sadaqah jariyah, for yourself and your loved ones. Let this beacon of knowledge remain illuminated forever, spreading the light of Islam throughout the world.